Okay, an update on how far we've gotten with the frame. You can see the rear receiver on this view. We've got our second coat of spar varnish on the outside wood frame. We're pretty well along with the wiring. Just have to wire up the trailer lights, and I've got this small roll of liquid tight. Going to run a AC run and a DC run out of the box up to the tongue box. And over here we've got our first coat of varnish on the left side. I'm debating on whether to use one coat or two coats or three coats. Two coats is looking pretty good on the bottom. One other question I had, I was considering on the exposed wooden surfaces was putting a coat of black roof cement on the wood over the varnish. I was wondering what, oops, we got a CAT scan here. I stole that from Jonathan W. His cat's always scanning his work. So that's where we are to date. This will be our second short video. Some people were wondering about my torsion axle. They're independent torsion axle. It's about a 3x3, I think, box, and then it's splined for you can adjust the ride. It's got pretty beefy hubs there, and I shouldn't have any trouble maintaining internet speeds, hopefully. Yeah, that'll be it for now. Happy building, and all you do-it-yourselfers out there, good luck with your builds.